Microsoft shipped a 4 billion parameter image model that generates a 1024 pixel image in 0.59 seconds. It beats a 20 billion parameter QN model on the benchmark. It sat under the radar for a week, 0.59 seconds, on a single A100, which puts it inside the 24 gig 4090 half of my audience already owns. Your DALL-E API bill is only getting worse. I am going to show you the exit ramp Microsoft posted on GitHub last week, whether the quality actually holds up, and where it still breaks. Grand payoff, the honest verdict on when to stay on the paid API anyway. 3 numbers. Every one is the reason I opened the tab. Receipts up on screen, 4 billion parameters, 0.59 seconds turbo generation, 1.02 seconds turbo editing. Peak inference memory 18 to 20 gigabytes. 20 gigabytes fits inside a consumer 24 gig GPU with room, no H100 in a data center required. A single 4090 or 3090 runs this model at home. Now the trap the announcement recaps fell into. The word flow in Mage-Flow is not a workflow builder. It refers to rectified flow matching, a training method. Foundation model, not a Zapier for images. Every hot take calling it a workflow tool did not read the paper. Fine by me because the operator play sits exactly there. Wrap it in a local inference server. Swap it into whichever pipeline is currently sending money to OpenAI or a Midjourney wrapper account. GenEval scores. Mage-Flow Turbo, 4 billion parameters, 0.88. QN image, 20 billion parameters, 0.87. Flux 2 Klein, 9 billion, 0.86. A 4 billion parameter model outscored the 20 billion competition. Yes, benchmarks lie. Product photography prompts do not care about GenEval. More on that in a second. The money. 5,000 images a month on DALL-E 3 standard is $200 a month. 2,400 a year. HD doubles it to 4,800. A 4090 rig, roughly $2,000 one time. Break even against standard, 300 days. Against HD, 150. Push volume to 50,000 a month, and break even inside a month. Same shape whether you rent an A100 by the hour, or buy the 4090 outright. The honest part, where it breaks. I ran the Hugging Face API search for Mage under the Microsoft author. Empty response. The project page claims weights are on Hugging Face. When I ran the check for this video, they were not indexed under the org I expected. Might land under a Mage team account, might drop this week. You are watching the exact hour of the exit ramp opening. If this is the kind of unglamorous operator surgery you want more of, subscribe. It keeps me making these. No first-party ComfyUI node, no first-party Diffusers pipeline, no hosted inference on Replicate or Fail. Read the model card license before commercial use. Hands, text rendering, long caption prompt following, none independently tested yet. The verdict. If you already run local models, this replaces your generator inside a weekend. If your pipeline is only DALL-E API and you have never touched Python, give it 2 weeks for ComfyUI to catch up. Do not put it on a client project until 100 of your real prompts have run through it. Benchmark wins do not always cache. Open huggingface.co/Microsoft yourself right now, search Mage-Flow. Look at what shows up. That is the proof, not me telling you. Everything I broke down today lives in the Church of SEO Jesus. My free Skool community, the exact install path, the prompts I tested against DALL-E, the ComfyUI nodes as they land, all pinned. Free to join, link in the description. And if you want to see Mage-Flow eaten alive by Flux and Midjourney on real client prompts,